Hey, welcome back guys. Today in this video we are talking about how to change Notion font. Why do you want to know how to change Notion font? Well, maybe you want to have a different font, right? So today I will show you how to change Notion font easily. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction there. So right now you can see that I'm in the Notion, and here if I just select a database, and basically after selecting the database, for example, if I just do a journal, right, and here if I just click here, and if I want to change the font, how I can do it? So basically on the top right side corner you can see the three dots. Click on there, and after that you will see a font. So basically there's not so much option that you can choose from, but you can have three options, right? So basically that is default, serif, and Vano. And after that you can change it and your font will be changed in that section, in that font, right? So there you go guys. If you want to know how to change Notion font easily, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way how to change font in Notion, leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.